All right, so for this patio right here, we did this 5 months ago. You see this pavers, what it was before was just a small little 13 by 13. We went ahead and made it 16 by 15. We also added a sitting wall right here. Tell me about how life is going for you. Make it comfortable. A good sidewalk should be 4 feet. So right here, this is a 20 by 4 sidewalk. And then to get more space to enjoy with the family, we did a small little 13 by 13 area. And this right here, I'm gonna talk about price ranges. It ranges from 25 to 30 grand. And these are Belgard Dimensions 12, Danville Beige, and the Soldier Cores, the black pavers, those are the Holland Stone. It's a killer job right here. If you have any questions, concerns, you'd like to know more about our business, give us a call at 317-502-2113 or reach us out at Sunnyside Landscapes LLC.com.